All right, welcome back to Sponsored Demo Day here just outside of the arena. My name is Tom Clark. I'm your official host for the Spec Mix Bricklayer 500, but today it's all about the sponsors, and I want you to get out your pencils and paper and take a lot of notes because we're at Hohmann and Barnard, and they have got 4 great things that we want to show you. Richard Bilton is with us right now. Richard, thanks for taking the time, man.
Thank you.
This is awesome. It's a great setup you right here, and we're talking about TBS to kick things off right now, and not Channel 17 with Ted Turner in Atlanta either. Let's talk a little bit about TBS.
So our TBS system is an offset shelf angle system made for masonry.
Okay. And, you know, masons can install this stuff, right?
Absolutely. We custom engineer every TBS system with the mason and the project in mind, allowing the mason to control more of their scope, their schedules, and deliver a better finished product for their owners.
And you know, what are some of the, you know, the best qualities that a mason is looking for? He's like, yeah, I'm going to need something like this for my project. And, you know, they come to Hohmann and Barnard, and you're going to tell them, hey, this is going to be good. Why?
Well, it allows for continuous insulation and air barriers on the whole of their project. We even have the insulation inside of the brackets, which is the only system that allows that.
Okay, awesome. All right, we're going to turn it over to Robin Keenum now. Where's Robin at?
Robin?
Robin,
right
you're up
right
next.
Here.
Robin, we're going to be talking about TextroFlash.
Yeah, right
All
here.
right, talk to me about TextroFlash. Now, this is a 40 mil composite sheet,
Yep.
I understand right here.
That's correct.
What makes this so different from other types of flashing?
Well, it's a polywoven membrane on a proprietary adhesive. You can't pull it off. If it touches something, it's stuck. There's no getting it off, and you're not going to accidentally puncture, tear, or rip this. On a job site, conditions can be rough. You got nails, boots.
That's strong.
Everything. Yeah, you're not going to tear it.
And could it double as like fly paper to keep them off your lunch, I guess? I don't know.
It could.
Well,
You
said
it's sticky enough.
sticks to everything.
If it gets on your hands, it's on there.
Okay, now what are some of the benefits if a mason contractor, he wants to put this on a wall? What are we going to get from it?
It's by far the most bang you can get for the buck.
Okay.
The adhesive itself is the #1 feedback I get day in, day out. And then the UV resistance. So a lot of these projects are taking a little bit longer from when they go from block to brick.
Right.
You've got 120 UV resistant days with TextroFlash.
Wow.
And it's not going to drool either. I was going to say the adhesive has, it's not an asphalt base, so as it heats up, you're not going to have the black drool that comes out. It's unsightly.
Yes, I know what you're talking about. Good stuff. I like that. All right, you're going to pass the microphone on to Scott.
Hey, Scott.
Fortness. Scott, welcome, man. How you doing?
Yes, sir.
Good. You got quite the crew here. We're just rotating people in and out. This is awesome. All right, we're going to be talking about concealed lintels, and we got to come around the backside here, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get the camera over on this side. Come on over here. We're going to shoot right in here, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on over this way. Scott, come over to me here, and let's talk to me about the lintels right now.
So this is our structural support system that's for openings and archways. It really reveals the brick soffits without exposing the angle irons for long-term maintenance.
Okay, now I see there's arch spine, flat spine, and surface mounted. You've got all different things that you can use with the lintels, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Not only that, we can deliver it straight to your job site. It's all materials are going to be delivered there with shop drawings, engineered, and with tech support.
And if people are concerned, they want to talk to you guys about this, you can help them and let them know what's going to be the best type of system for their project.
Absolutely.
And they can come over to the tent. You guys will be here all weekend, won't you?
Yep. Go to hb.com.
hp.com. All right, we're not done yet, though, because we've still got Tom. Where's Tom at? Tom's coming in. Tom Walsh, come on in. Come on over here.
Hey, Tom, how are you?
We're going to go, because we're going to go right here, right? Tom Walsh, we're talking about the thermal wing nut anchor. Tom, talk to me.
So let me start right
What's
here.
What's so special about this thing? It looks cool.
Yeah, it is cool. So it's designed with performance in mind for the mason and the building owner. If you look right here, it's designed with 2 seals. So it's called the 2-seal thermal wing nut anchor.
Okay.
And the reason it's called 2-seal, you've got a smaller seal to seal the air barrier, and the larger seal to anchor the insulation in place. Creates a more efficient wall. And then with the single barrel, you only have a single penetration, which also increases the efficiency. So then you've got a UL plastic encased wing, which also creates a thermal break and accepts the 2X hook.
That's awesome. You guys have got so much stuff going on here. So when folks stop by, I mean, they've really got quite the demos.
Absolutely. We've got all kinds of stuff to look at and to play with.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for
team. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, Tom.
All right, lots of stuff over here at Hohmann and Barnard.